Episode 8, The Most Useful AI Tools, How Beginners Can Choose the Right One. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. In the previous episode, we talked about how to use AI safely and effectively, including clear prompts, privacy, fact-checking, and responsible use. In today's episode, we are going to talk about another practical topic, how beginners can choose the right AI tools. There are many AI tools available today. Some can write text, some can create images, some can help with coding, some can summarize documents, and others can support learning, work, or creative projects. For beginners, this can feel overwhelming. So, how do you know which tool is right for you? The first step is to understand your goal. Before choosing a tool, ask yourself, what do I actually want to do? Do I want to write better emails, learn a language, create images, study for school, organize my work, generate ideas, or automate simple tasks? When your goal is clear, choosing the right tool becomes much easier. Let's start with writing and communication. Text-based AI tools can help you write emails, scripts, summaries, captions, explanations, and blog posts. They can also improve grammar, change the tone of a text, or make complicated ideas easier to understand. For example, if you need a professional email, AI can help you make it polite and clear. If you have a long article, AI can create a short summary. If you are learning English, it can correct your sentences and explain your mistakes. The second category is image generation. AI image tools can create pictures from text descriptions. You can describe a scene, style, color, mood, or idea, and the AI creates an image based on your prompt. This can be useful for thumbnails, posters, presentations, concept art, and social media content. But it is important to use these tools responsibly. Do not create harmful, misleading, or fake images of real people. The third category is productivity tools. Some AI tools help organize tasks, summarize meetings, create schedules, manage notes, and turn messy ideas into clear plans. For example, AI can turn a long meeting transcript into action points. It can organize a project into smaller steps or help you create a study plan. The fourth category is coding tools. AI coding assistants can explain code, find errors, suggest improvements, and help beginners understand programming concepts. For beginners, this can be very helpful because AI can explain what the code does step by step. But generated code should always be checked and tested because AI can make mistakes. The fifth category is research and learning tools. AI can explain topics, compare ideas, generate quiz questions, and simplify difficult information. This can be useful for students and for anyone learning something new. But remember, AI is not always correct. For serious research, schoolwork, health, law, or financial topics, always check reliable sources. So how can beginners choose the right tool? Ask a few simple questions. Is the tool easy to use? Does it match my goal? Does it protect my privacy? Can I edit or control the result? Is there a free version or trial? Do I really need this tool, or am I only using it because it looks popular? This last question is important. Not every AI tool is necessary. Sometimes one simple tool can do many things well. Beginners should start with one or two tools and learn them properly before trying too many at once. A good method is to test tools with small tasks first. Ask a writing tool to improve a short paragraph. Ask an image tool to create a simple thumbnail idea. Ask a productivity tool to organize a short to-do list. This helps you understand what the tool does well and where it struggles. It is also useful to compare results. Try asking the same question in different ways. You may notice that better prompts create better answers. AI tools are not magic. They are assistants. The best results happen when the user gives clear instructions, checks the output, and improves it with human judgment. So, what should beginners avoid? Avoid sharing sensitive, personal information. Avoid trusting every answer without checking. Avoid using AI to cheat or copy. Avoid creating misleading content. And avoid thinking that more tools always means better results. The goal is not to use every AI tool. The goal is to choose the right tool for the right task. To sum up, AI tools can help with writing, images, productivity, coding, research, and learning. Beginners should define their goal, choose simple tools, test them with small tasks, protect their privacy, and check the results. AI tools are most powerful when they support your own thinking, creativity, and skills. Thank you for listening to this episode. In the next part, we can explore AI prompts and how to ask better questions to get better answers.